Hi, I'm Lulu, and welcome to Lulu's Way. I'm really glad you're here. So today is the day before my meetup begins. So I've been busy getting groceries, having a shower, topping up all my water, and getting the name tags finished. So it's been a busy day. It's been a wonderful day. It's a little chilly. Looks like the first day of the meetup might be a little bit cool, but then the second 2 days are going to be in the 80s. So I am very happy with the forecast. Very happy, because it looks like full sun every day. So we don't have to think about rain. So I'm very grateful. So I just got back from a visit on Anna Maria Island. It's just so beautiful down that part of Florida. I was in Bradenton visiting family. So this family that I was visiting is my brother-in-law and sister-in-law. Now, he is my ex-husband's brother. So I still call him my brother-in-law, even though I'm divorced from his brother. I still consider them family. And my sister-in-law, Lisa, his wife, and the two kids, Sammy and Connor. And I haven't seen them in a very long time. Paul is really good at keeping in touch. You know those people that are just really good at keeping in touch? You know, like you have family members or friends that you really do care about them, and you love them, and time goes by and time goes by and times go by. Paul is always very good at keeping in touch, and I'm very grateful for that, because we've been in touch for all these years that I have been divorced from that family. So they come down from Massachusetts every winter, and they spend the whole winter. They rent a little cottage that's just adorable. And in my van life travels, I make it a point to carve out a couple of days to go spend with them, because I just love spending time with them. The two kids come down every year, but I have never coordinated to come down at the same time. But this year I did. I said, I want to make sure I see those kids, because I haven't seen them for a long time. Sammy is 27 and Connor is 24. So I haven't seen them in a long time, and it was just so nice to see them, and it was so nice to catch up with them. It was so nice. It was just perfect. The first day we went down to the beach and set up our chairs, and we sat on the beach. The waves were big and crashing, and it was just lovely. It was just lovely. We needed sweatshirts though. But it was nice just talking and catching up and finding out what she's up to. And she's up to all some really great stuff, little Sammy. And the next day, it was chilly. It was really chilly and windy. So Sammy decided that we would have a dance party. And I was like, is she my kind of girl or what? So there we went. We had a big dance party in the afternoon. We had so much fun, the five of us. It was just so fun. I'm so grateful for them. I'm so grateful for them accepting me into their vacation home. I sleep in my van. I park right next to the cottage, and I just work out of my van. I do my own meals. I sleep out there. I do everything out there, because that's what I prefer. And I go in and spend time with them. Just works out perfect. I was so excited. So then I headed back to this area. It was about a 3-hour drive for me to get back into this area and start to get ready for the next meetup, which I'm very excited about. So if you come into my meetup, I'll see you tomorrow. And I'm going to leave you with a little montage of our dance party with my family. Bye for now.
That's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say. the night away. That's the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away, when nobody's awake. Can be the last to stay. That's the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away, no matter what they say. Can be the last to stay. That's the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away, when nobody's awake. Can be the last to stay. That's the night away, no matter what they say. 2 a.m. and you lost your friends. Pretend I don't know how this night will end. I feel your heartbeat, the DJ plays. Oops, I did it again. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So that's the night away, when nobody's awake. Can be the last to stay. That's the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away, when nobody's awake. Can be the last to stay. That's the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away, no matter what they say.
Pull up, dropping buckets. Ay, yeah, like it's nothing. In the kitchen, chopping onions. Yeah, tears falling down. Underdog is finally overcoming. Cause I'm dropping buckets. Ay, yeah, like it's nothing. Ay, earn my respect and burn a budget. Ay, tears falling down. Underdog is finally overcoming, baby. Yeah, I'm dropping buckets. Drop some cash for me, don't worry about my past for me. I'm driving with no gasoline, this life I live's a fantasy. Yeah, I do this for my dogs, all my day ones and my family. My life gon' live through them if I end up in any tragedies. I hope y'all understand this shit got bigger cause it had to be. I always knew I had it, but just not at this capacity. I recognize the gravity, closer to the summit, stacking chips and counting nuggets.
Every day I'm dancing, and that's just how it goes. I'm so glad to be here. Another day on this good earth, so blessed. I'm always ready to dance, doing the best that I can. I hope you'll shake it up when I'm around. This old gal's on fire, moving to the groove. Oh, it makes my heart sing, 'cause the attitude is